Well guys, this is a very nice problem and it'll teach you something very interesting. Alright, so it'll teach us how we should get information from the question, how we can talk to the problem and get the information, what is given to me in this, and how we can use the only formula I know so far, right, in AP and solve this question. So let's go ahead, read the question. It says find n if the nth term. So what do you stand by this? Look at that. In that formula we have Tn, we have A, we have N, and we have D. So he's clearly telling you to find N. It means this is what I'm looking for, N. Alright, cool. N. It says where the nth term. So who's this guy? Generally nth term is this guy. This guy is called nth term. I'm looking for this guy is given to me, right? This guy is given as 68. So it means Tn is given as 68. The nth term. Got it? What next? In the following sequence, what I have 5, 8, 11, 14. So the first guy, this is T1, this is T2, this is T3, this is T4, right? So the first term is like 5. So I can write A is like 5. And to find the common difference, I just write this guy. T2 minus T1 is like 8 minus 5 is like 3. I got this guy. So D is 3. So I'm looking for what? N. Alright, so that's a very simple problem. Out of 1, 2, 3, 4 guys, if you know 3 of them, the fourth can be easily found. How? Substitute this guy here. That's it. Alright, so the whole talent is how you fill these 4 positions. Alright, looking at the question, that's nothing much. So let's go ahead. Tn is like A plus N minus 1 in a D. I know that Tn is given as 68. A is like 5 plus N is what I'm looking for. N minus 1 times D is 3. So this guy, 68 is equal to 5 plus 3N minus 3. I can write 68 is like 5 minus 3 is like 2 plus 3N. I can write 3N is like 66 and N is like 66 divided by 3, which is like 22. That's it, very simple. So how do you understand if I have to visualize this problem? So what do we exactly know about it now? What is N? 22, right? So it says if I continue to write the sequence, okay, I know that this is the 4th position, right? So let me just write this guy as the first position, that is T1, this is T2, T3 and T4, right? So like that, the 22nd position I can find 68. That's what it means to me. So let's see that, okay? So this is not part of the question. I'm just doing this so that we can understand what's happening inside. So if I continue to write the sequence like 5, 8, 11, and say it means count difference is 3, I'll get 17, then I'll get 20, I'll get 23, I'll get 26, get 29 and 32, I'll get 35, 38. Then the next one is like 30, 41, 44, 47, 50, I'll get 53, 56, then you'll get what, 59, 62, then you'll get what, 65 and 68. Look at that, we got 68, right? So if you have to count what is the position of 68, so look at that, that's first term, second term, third term, fourth term, T4, like 5, 6th term, 7th, 8th, 9th, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22nd. This is my 22nd term. That's what we found. T22 was like 68 and N was like 22. It is in the 22nd place, right? If I term this guy or name the term, basically N is 22, right? So A of the sequence we know it is like 5 and D was 3. So that's how we understand AP. It's a very simple thing if you can do it like this.